Hey guys, I got two new zippos, and these were a belated birthday gift from my aunt, because my birthday was like a month ago, but she lives in a different state than me, and she didn't get them before, so now she has them, and I'm up here for Christmas, so I just got these. So the first one, Celtic Cross. I don't know if it's pronounced Celtic or Celtic, but I think it's Celtic. So it's pretty sweet. Just a high polished chrome. The cool, kind of gothic looking cross on it. Like that. This says F. So it'd be June 2011. Haven't taken the sticker off. Probably won't. Front sticker was already gone. Still trying to get some of that residue off. So there's that one. And the second one, Mozzie Freedom watch. It's like some artist. So instead of saying Man USA, it's still Man USA, but it says the artist's last name right there. I don't know if you pronounce it Mazzy or Motzi or I don't know. But I like this one too. Also no sticker. This is, I believe, street chrome. Yeah, it's street chrome. And it has, American flag on it and an eagle. It's like printed on top of it. And there's the guy's signature there. And this one was made in May of 11, E11, so that's May. So, here they are. So that's that, and then the second thing I wanted to talk about was Cutlerylover. I don't know what's going on with him, but apparently he got hacked, and his account was closed. And, I'm really sad about that. So, hopefully, he contacts YouTube and gets them to restart his account, because that would be hard to restart because he had 70,000 plus subscribers, including me. So, yeah, that really blows. And if he's watching this somehow, really sorry for you, man. I don't know how somebody would do that to you because you're such a good guy. So, yeah. Alright, so comment, rate, and subscribe. Hope you like the update on my Zippo collection.